The other possibility, let me see if I've got it in Brightspace to see if it's available. Let me check on that. Let's see. Yeah, I've got my browser up, so I'm going to share my browser. Let's see, where is it? Come on. Share. Here we go. Share my browser. There. Okay, now I need to get some stuff out of the way. Here we go. I think it's here. Yeah. So I can go back over to content. Go to content. And then scroll down to labs, lab exercises. Okay. This one is determining density. That's the one we were going to do today. Okay, there's the document, the assignment, hard copy there. Here's the PDF file, which is the density of metals. I was going to give you the opportunity to determine the density of a metal and compare it to the actual values in a chart. So that's what that is. Here's an introductory discussion, and here's the demo. It looks like I've got it there. Yeah. So what this demo does is I've done this lab myself. This was back during COVID, where I took all the labs and I came in. Usually did 2 in one day. Came in with the management's permission to come on campus and conducted the lab myself and had a little GoPro camera on my head. Or have you looked at it? Oh, okay. So that's what it would be. It would be, you'd be seeing what I see. And I conducted the lab myself, and then my students would have to view that and generate the report from that. So since you have no partner except for me, I'll leave it up to you, and the rest of the class can go to this demo and complete the assignment that way. You want to do it that way? Okay. Let me call it up just to see if it's good enough quality. It's going to take you to YouTube, just like the other videos. Okay. Can I make it bigger? There we go. Too loud.
All right. Next lab on the agenda. Determining density. It's a very simple lab. I like simple labs. And these are the materials that we're going to need.
Kinda
Won't take much.
make you seasick if you focus on it too much.
We're going to determine the density of a liquid and 2 solids.
Okay.
Liquid is going to.
We'll check out further along. Okay.
Here we go. And of course, you should have read this before you start the video. Identification code for the rubber stopper. I'm going to say the identification code for this rubber stopper is actually its number. All rubber stoppers have numbers, and the bigger the number, the larger the stopper. This is a number 3 rubber stopper. So I'm going to put a number 3 right there. Mass and volume. So the mass is easy. We just bring our paper with us.
Okay.
Be sure we're set on 0.
What I was searching for was to see if I put any of this on the board. I don't think I did for this one. So you have to pay attention to the video. And it looks clear enough. I think we can see the numbers.
And then we'll settle down, does it? Give it a chance. There we go. Put the stopper on there, close the lid. Now we're going to get a stable number eventually. 11.016. 11.016 grams. Now we need
I think it's clear
the
enough then.
volume of the stopper. How do you get the volume of an object? Well, there are two ways. If it's a regular object, you can measure its dimensions. So if this were a cube,
Okay, so this is probably not going to be something that you can read the volume. I'm going to drop it into a liquid and measure the difference in the liquid change as the volume. So listen to me. I think I read it off. Okay. Okay, I think we're good there. Have you read the lab? Do you have any questions about it? Okay. Like I said, it's really simple. Okay. So I guess we can cut this short, and I'll post the lecture and this little bit on the end here to that one, so it'll be in the lecture section. And then I think what I ought to do is send out an email to everybody, so those who didn't show up on Zoom will get the message. Let's see, we still got two. We lost the third one. Maybe the flood wiped out a telephone pole somewhere. I had to drive through a rock pile on the way out of Oceana, coming this way, going up the hill. So it had water flowing across it, and there were rocks everywhere, and there were cars backed up behind on the other side. They were afraid to go. So I went ahead and tried it. Let's see, somebody's got a message. Oh, okay. You're welcome. Okay, I guess that's it. I'll let's see, I need to stop the, where is it? Screen sharing. Stop the share first. Now I'll stop the Zoom session. Unless you guys, anybody remotely have any questions, problems, comments. Okay. If not, then we're done for today, and I'm waiting for my afternoon class.